But for now, we're going to be doing a glueless install, which makes me even more excited. There is nothing like a company that gets it when it comes to creating a wig that you can literally just put on and it sits so flawless, so glueless, so effortless. I did add a little bit of powder just to make it blend perfectly, but there is nothing like this because a lot of the times I'm here, I'm home, but I don't want to be looking crazy. You know what I mean? It's like I don't want to got to be glued anything down to my scalp just to play with my kids and feed them and clean up after them all day or edit or whatever. And even when it comes to like going out, a lot of the times like my husband will be like, let's go somewhere, we got 5 minutes to be ready, and I got to get 3 kids ready as well as myself. It's a bonus to be able to have an option that I can just literally put on, and it's already a vibe with this cute little cut and this little style, the curl, the wave pattern. And then the bonus is that literally I can just throw it on and I don't have to worry about bonding it down, baby hair, nothing like that. So you guys already know this is going to be a glueless install, which means it's going to be super simple and easy. Be sure to check the description box for deets on the wig, direct link, and all of that. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, you should slide on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan up, fan up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything.
Hey, listen, I wanna listen, I need to tell you, I wanna unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leaves. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, and in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves but still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toes, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give it wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Yeah. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a 10, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran shit all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming the lines until I'm goated. I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doge, just what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the crew got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a flex up. I need a 10, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love.
Confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors, yeah.
Okay, love bugs, so I absolutely love this glueless install. As a mom who is always on the go, it's nothing like having yet another option for being able to just throw a wig cap on my real hair and throw the wig on and go. This one here we installed completely glueless, as you guys seen, and I just want to reiterate and remind you guys that there is no glue there. Now the key to a glueless fit is a wig that actually fits your head. Now as many wigs as I have reviewed on this channel, I would honestly say majority of them, 80, maybe even 90% of them don't fit glueless. They fit and they are meant to be installed, whether it is with an elastic band, whether it is with a glueless adhesive like my products from beautequity.com, or whether it's your traditional like got to be glued, or if you're just bonding it down with something like Ghost Bond. Something needs to be there for it to sit on the head effortlessly and seamlessly. But you have these godsend of companies like RPGShow and RPGShow Lifestyle that are fully capable of working their magic and creating wigs that actually fit the head nicely, flawlessly. Even from the side, there's no buckle, there's no lifting. It fits my head and it's on there snug all the way around. It's not loose in the bag where it's just going to lift up. The wig fits my head like a glove, and that is what you need.